Okay, class. Online am I audible? ఇప్పుడే 10, 11:30 11:30కి ఇక్కడే ఉంటాను. లేదు, ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోవడం. Online am I audible? Online am I audible? Can you hear me? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, finally. Good. I wish you happy Republic Day to all. Good. So, did you guys came from the flag hosting? Did you guys did the flag hosting, ma? In childhood, we used to go to this rare for flag hosting. In school, they used to celebrate it very nice. Today is like the fashion dress competition. Like people will put Gandhi, Nehru, everyone they used to celebrate it. Nice. Have you guys ever tried it, sir? You know what would be good? Actually, same like schools. Imagine colleges also celebrate this all. If colleges celebrated Independence Day, if colleges celebrated Republic Day, that would be good. Schools celebrated nicely, but colleges don't. Right? Now, anyway, let's come to our project, our concepts, where we are there now. By any chance, any one of you really practiced yesterday and did any project, sir? No. As usual, very good. Proud of Indians. Huh? Hey, really one person did hey? Legend choice .netlify.app. See, this is my point. When you try these things now, online also some people used to be there. So many people used to try earlier. I don't know. Recently people stopped it. Hey, क्या हुआ? It's not index.html. Check it. Is it coming? Just LEGEND. Legend. Huh? LEGEND. Legend. CHOICE. Legends. Are you sure it is good website only? Huh? Is it like Royce Charles something? I know this. The moment I have seen this Legends choice, I understand it. It's a choice. That's it. Where is the API? Why beers are not coming? Go here. Sources. Console. Allow to fetch from the sample API by cost policy. What? Sample APIs. Okay, now you can't do that. Website got stopped. Yesterday it worked, right? Now it's not working. So see, website itself not working. See, this is the problem with using third-party APIs. If they are not working, your website also not working. It stopped. But it would be a good project. What to do? Don't worry, it will be done like in 1-2 days. Again, they will bring it up. We need to pay the SSL certificate. Maybe the SSL certificate got expired. Now, any other? Random joke, hyphen, M. Online, anyone have any app which is done with this? Interface is really good actually. Wait for a joke to load. What do you call someone with no nose? Nobody knows. Good joke. How do you steal a coat? Your jacket, huh? What is red and smell like blue paint? Red paint. Why it will smell like blue paint? Why don't React developers like nature? Array, it's going too fast, Ray. Hi. 6 seconds. Right. Understand it. Reading only not getting. People should laugh now at least. But I like the things you keep this count and the timer also you can see it. But is timer not working? I don't know why. Keep the timer, make it work. Understand it. You put a static time. You are not calling the time again and again. You are just keeping the time one time only. That's not working. Online, someone named Madiha did this. Random jokes. Background looks good. Random jokes generator. Get a joke. How many bones are there in the human's mind? Human's hand. A handful of them. Ahaha. Seriously? What is the joke, Ray? I don't know. Want to hear my pizza joke? Never mind. It's too cheesy. This is actually good. I don't know. Sometimes when they make jokes now, I don't get it any kind of logic only. Usually these kind of jokes clients will do. Managers will do. We will just laugh. Any other? Anyone tried any more? Seriously? Anyone else? No one. At least do you guys know like in 2-3 days everything will be done? Still you guys are not doing? Good. Let's see. Today we will discuss modules. We will discuss libraries. We'll try bomb. Now go here. Oops will be there. Oops will be tomorrow. Oops is like the last one. Just a quick reference. Oops, we will not give big logic into it. Okay. And we'll do final project also, ma, don't worry. Now, let's go here. Let's see. Most of the concepts will be done today itself. It won't take much time. Next. Yesterday we started with something called ES6. We are doing it ES6 features. Almost remaining things will go with this ES6 features only. Script. Now, inside the JavaScript, inside the notes, ES6. Now, go here. Understand this, how it will work. Yesterday you discussed till default parameters and rest and spread, which we already know, right? Now let's discuss something new. Did we discuss destructuring yesterday? Did we discuss destructuring, ma? No. Destructuring. Destructuring. We'll start with destructuring. These concepts, whatever you are going to discuss today, those concepts were important when you go for the React ones. Destructuring. Destructuring is used. Destructuring is used to split the values of arrays or objects into individual. So we will take one array's values and we will make them individual. That is possible now using concept of destructuring, which is very simple. You can do array destructuring, and you can do object destructuring. Array destructuring means it will split array values as individual. Object destructuring means it will take out object values as individual. Now, next, spread is for splitting it out. True. Okay. Spread is for splitting it out. But what if you wanted one separate value? I will tell you the difference between spread and this structure. So how it will work? Dekho, yesterday we discussed spread. I know spread is for splitting. Here it will do it in another way of splitting. Both are different. For example, let's take it here. Destructuring. Imagine first arrays. Imagine there is one array ARR equals to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want 4. Can anyone tell me how to print 4? How to print 4? ARR of 1. Like if I print ARR of 1, 4 will come. But I want to print this 4 so many times, so many places. Every time I can't write it ARR of 1, ARR of 1, ARR of 1, it will be difficult for me. So in olden days, what we used to do, we used to write it like something like x equals to ARR of 1. In olden days, we used to write it like let x equals to ARR of 1. So every time I wanted ARR of 1 value, I used to write it x, which is easy, na? That is how original code base. But JavaScript ES6 people told it like, you don't need to struggle for that much. Why? Because imagine array is having 5 values. For each and everything, you can't put one variable, na? Separately. Instead, you can try like this. Instead of this, try it like A comma, B comma, C comma, D comma, E, which is equals to ARR. Why B is having error? I think somewhere B is there already. That's what they are saying it. I will just put it up. Now, can anyone tell me what is A value? Can anyone guess what is A value? 5. What is B value? C, 3. D, 2. E, barabar. This is another way of splitting. Okay. This is another way of splitting. And this is called, okay, this one you can't, if array have more values, then it will take only these 5 values. Imagine array is having it one more value 8. It cannot work. What is the problem with destructuring is how many values of array is there, that many you have to give. Okay, else 8 value will not store it anywhere now. But split will do, but spread will do it like nothing like that. Spread is like a pura array remove karta directly. Okay, it's just remove it the whole thing only. Is it clear, ma? Okay. See, understand both approaches are different here. Imagine here inside one circle there are so many elements. Now, what is this D structure will do? D structure will give each one element to one element. Okay. But what the spread will do, spread will be like instead of giving one, remove this whole thing only. Are you getting the approaches, sir? Okay, so both are used for different purposes. It's not like same. Online, is it clear, ma? Because these kind of analogies will come. For example, I will tell you one use case. Swap two numbers in JavaScript. Do you know swapping? You remember swapping? You will take some third variable, you will just swap there, this. Instead of doing that much, imagine two variables are there. Let x equals to 20, y equals to 10. If I write it here, x comma y equals to y comma x. Can anyone guess like what is x value now it will print? Can anyone guess what is x value now? 10, not 20. क्योंकि पहला x value 20 है, वो 20 y को दे रहा है, वो 10 x को दे रहा है. Directly हो जाता. This much powerful it is in real time. If you think of it, it will have so many use cases. Okay. So directly you can give values like that. In other programming languages, swapping a number will have different logics, but JavaScript can do it in seconds. Now, next. Sir, can you do destructure of object? Yes, you can do destructure of object also. Imagine one object is there. Let obj equals to name, Prasad. Sorry, you can put normally also na. भूल गया मैं. Name Prasad. Create. Now, I wanted to print age. Can anyone tell me how to print age? Very good. If you wanted to print age, sir, if you wanted to print 28, you should write it obj.age. Right or not? Is it clear, ma? Everyone getting now? Now, imagine if I write just age. Will it print or not? Online, are you all getting my point, sir? If I just ask age, will it print or not? No, it will print error. Why? Because age variable nahi hai. OBJ के अंदर age है. So I wanted to take that age value separately. You can do that. You can write it like let age value को separate करो OBJ के अंदर. तो वो OBJ के अंदर whatever the age value is there, it will get separated and it will become as age now. Now it will print age value 28. If you do this. $28. Sir, can I separate name also? Yes. Can separate name also. You can print name as name. Directly it will print name. What if we have one more name and one more age? Where do you want it, like one more age and one more name? Like you wanted one more object, you had it one more object. In that case, you should not able to do that. In the same object, another value. See, in same object, you can't put it like two more keys. Like name Prasad, again name Raj. In same object, you can't put two. I'm just taking this out. Okay. This one is highly useful. This one is highly useful when you are passing the objects. Usually in React applications, what will happen? You will have multiple JavaScript file. From one JavaScript file to another JavaScript file, when they are passing the data, usually they will do this kind of thing, which will be destructuring the object. So object के एक structure है, हम वो structure को destructure कर रहे हैं. That is called object destructuring. Literally, you can take any value out of the object and you can use it. But still, obj, sir, if I ask obj.age, will it not come? No, it will be there. It will be there. But it will also be there in the age. It will also be there in the age. That is the difference. Huh? Array లోపల ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నా సరే వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఈచ్ రాయాలి రాయాలి ఫర్ ఈచ్ రాసి చేయాలి ఇది అంతే. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ మా ఆన్లైన్? ఆన్లైన్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ సార్? Yes, good. If you get any doubt, you can ask ma. Now, next. This one is important for your React journeys, which is module system. Module system. When dealing with multiple script files, transferring data from one script file to another script file can be done using modules. Now this is one of the important topic, because without modules the React and all will not be there. Till now, in most of the programs, you put only one JavaScript file. What if more than one JavaScript file is there? For example, you are doing product page. You write one function called add to cart. I am writing main home page. In home page also add to cart will be there na button. In some another pages also add to cart buttons are there. Do you think I will write separate add to cart function, you will write separate add to cart function? No. Imagine we all are working for same project, right? You are working on project. So you are working on product. I am working on cart. Someone is working on checkout. Someone is working on homepage. But there are some functions which you wrote may be useful to me na. Maybe there are some functions which I wrote will be useful to you na. That means one JavaScript file has to send functions to another JavaScript file. The JavaScript files has to share the connections between the files. How do you share whatever you have done in one file to another file? How do you give? That can be done using modules. What is it, ma? Modules. We have different module systems. Different module systems, such as we have different module systems such as common JS, require JS, etc. Now, in olden times, we used to do common JS or require JS, okay, for the module systems. We used to have common JS or require JS. Even till date, actually, we will use require JS techniques only in the node. When we come to node, I can show it to you. But after ES6, 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 JS have its own module system ES6 module system. There is something called ES6 module system. Now all modern programming like React and all the modern programming will use ES6 module system only. All the modern programming will use ES6 module system only, sir. Will use ES6 module system only. Now next one. Next one. How to do ES6 module systems? We use keywords such as export and import, to export or import we use export or import to export or import different assets. Assets are like your functions, your variables, or data, functions, data, etc. How you will send it one file to another file, I will send it now. Now, everyone, till now, is it clear, ma? Online, till now clear, like what I'm going to do till now, are you getting it, my point? I will have two JavaScript files now. I will create two JavaScript files now. In one JavaScript file, I will write one function. In another JavaScript file, I will call it. Let's do it, sir. Let's try that. I am creating one more JavaScript file. The JavaScript file name is script2. I will tell you settings one by one. Try it. Script2. I will go to script1 function. Inside script1, I am creating one function fun console.log hello world, or I am from script file. Kuch bhi. If I call this function, it will print I am from script file, na? Right or not? If I call this, it will print I am from the script file. But I am not calling it here. Actually, I am removing in HTML script. I am actually adding script2. In HTML, what did I added? Script 2. But did I wrote anything in the script 2? Did I wrote anything in the script 2, ma? No. Where did I write that function? Script 1. I wanted to call it here. Understand my goal? Will it work? You wrote it product page, I wrote it home page. Home page में एक function create कर दिया. तुमको product page में चाहिए वो function. वो नहीं होता सीधा. So उसको क्या करना पड़ता? पहला इधर export करना है. This file is having it, so it will export it. Whatever file having it will export it. What is the name which are exporting it, sir? Fun. What is the name we are exporting it? Fun. So you will write it here, export braces fun. What is this braces? Everything you send it in export, you will send it using an object. If you are sending it two things, I am sending it this age. Can anyone tell me what is age value? You remembered, ma? What is age value? 28. And fun. I am sending two things. One is age, one is fun. So that guy exported me two things. Okay. Now this guy should import them, na? If that guy exported, this guy not imported, it will not come. So he will import them. What he is importing it, sir? Importing two things. Okay. Fun and age from script.js. Any doubts? Sir, can you see one error is coming? Can you see one error coming? Everyone read that error. Cannot use statement outside, import statement outside a module. They are saying it like you created some script.js, but this is not a module file. It's a normal file. You can't use import in normal file. So you go to here, script, here, write it here, type equals to module. हम बोल रहे हैं ये module का type है. आ गया. Can you see it printed something called I am from script file? Right or not? Now, which line you called, sir? No. Okay, it is actually giving error, but it will directly take it now anyway. Now, which line you called, ma? Second line. And in which function, in which in which script you called? Script 2. Script 2 page. But did I write it fun in script 2? Did I write it in script 2? Where did I rotate? Script 1. इधर export कर दिया, इधर import कर दिया. Sir, here how many values you exported? Fun and age. Here fun and age imported. Sir, can I not take? कुछ नहीं होता. Two items came to your home. You will take only one delivery. One will be showed though again. Send it back. Your wish na? Any doubts here? Online? Huh? అన్ని రాలేదు. See, it's not like everything not came, but you write it here script.js na. So what happened is it went to script.js, it run the whole script.js. After running it only it will understand na. See, understand it. You think it like, sir, everything came. No, everything not came. If you print it like console.log name, do you think it will print name Prasad? See, it's not printing. Like, or if I write it here age, it's printing error क्योंकि age नहीं है. They sent it. So sir, what about this two They are because it is going to that file, it is reading it. You write one file, Ray, okay, and you are sending one value to another person. Now that another person, to get that value, first he comes to your file, he reads whole file, and at last he will see what you are sending it. So while reading it, he will also run. Is what happening. But he is not taking. He's seeing all the program, but he is taking only fun. Are you getting? Online, is it clear, sir? Online, is it clear, ma? See this? Everyone, see this. When you see this, you will understand it. Here, total 3 files are there. Dekho. Total 3 files are there. Sorry, 2 files are there. Now, in first file, script.js, second file, script2.js. HTML actually connected to this file. HTML is not connected to this. Inside the HTML, I put the script2. Inside the script2, I put it here, fun. But do I know fun? No. Where is fun? In script file. So it will go to script and it will ask fun. And here fun is exported and here it is imported. And it run fun. Simple. Now, can anyone tell me how to resolve this error? How to get age also? How to get age also? Can anyone tell me? Import fun comma age. Now age also came. Sir, I wanted to import name also, sir. Name Prasad also. Import name. Now will it work, sir? Will it work? No. If I write it import name, it's not working. Why? Why name is not coming? Because not export. You can see it here. The requested module script.js does not provide an export named name. So first export karna hai. So name. It's like HTML is asking this guy. HTML is asking the script.to script.to and script.do don't know. So script.to asked the script1 and the script1 sending it and script2 receiving it. Why we needed different scripts? Because for different works in real time na, one person only cannot do whole work na. You are doing some work, I am doing some work, multiple people are collaborating for a project. You think all will work it in one JavaScript file? No. Different multiple JavaScript files should be there. For header, one JavaScript file there. For footer, one JavaScript file will be there. For different pages, different JavaScript files will be there. So, but some functions need to be combined. Na? So that is why we will use this. We'll import, read all the code in export code and prints all the code. Now, actually, it's not. In normal JavaScript, what will happen? It will give you error .js. But actually, see, someone online asked me really valid question. Will import reading all data? It's actually printing all this one also, which is waste of time. Okay, but actually in real time it will not do. In real time, when you do React na, it will stop it from running whole page. It will directly go to only exports and take it. Okay, it will directly go to export and it will take it. But in plain JavaScript, it will do all function. Sir, can I write it instead of here? Can I directly write it here only? Export fun? Yes. You can directly write export fun here only. You can export it here itself. That is also valid. But this is not a good one. You know why? Because if you are exporting in middle of the program, wherever you wanted, I want to see what are the things they are exporting. It will be difficult for me. If I write it all exports at one place, all import one place, that would be easy for me. That's why thumb rule. Always remember, all exports end of the page, all imports starting of the page. Any doubts in this? Online, any doubts in this? Can we add multiple files, sir? Yes. You can put 100 files also. कुछ नहीं होता. I can put multiple files and import it. One thing from there, one from there, like this. It's like script 2 and script are friends or neighbors. Script 2 going to script home and script is giving fun age name and the script 2 is taking that fun age name. Okay, or maybe script 2 is taking only fun and age, it is not taking the name. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Online, any doubts? Now, sir, there are actually two kinds of exports and two kinds of imports. This is normal export and normal import, also called named export, named import. This is named import, named export. What is it named? Named बोले तो with that name. Function का name क्या है? Fun or age or name. Using that particular name, we are getting it. Okay. Is it necessary to have import and export, sir? Yes. If you don't put import and export, it will not transfer the data, okay, between the files. Now here, just a minute. Almost. Yeah. Now good. Let's see, sir. Let's go here. Now, sir, this is called named export. Named export. Using the name, you export them. And this is called named import. Using the name, you can import them. Named import. And I will give you some more logic also in this. Here, not only like this, you can even try something like import asterisk from script.js. You can do import asterisk. You know what is it mean by asterisk? Anyone guess what is mean by asterisk? All. Asterisk bole to all. So it is taking all the values. Whatever he is exporting, whatever the neighbor is giving me, I will taking all. Whatever my friend is giving me, I am taking all. So that is asterisk. But if you take all, how do you call them? You need to give some alias as something k. So I am taking all values. I'm taking all values in the name of k. K will be one object. Now, if you wanted to call fun na, you don't call fun directly. K dot fun. If you wanted to call age na, k under age. You can do previous one or this. This is called import alias. Means importing within another name. Import alias bole to importing kind of alias. These different things will help you in understanding the code of React, make you better. Is this clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Online till now, is it clear, sir? Everyone, are you there? Online, is it clear, ma? Yes. Okay. Someone asked me, in import we are giving fun age, but when we give K, how do we know? How do we know which we are asking? Yes, that is logical question. In import we gave it fun and age, but if we normally we don't know what we are asking. Okay. So you need to go and check here export only. You but if you want to know, you can even print like this. You can even print up instead of going to the file, you can print the K object. The K object will show you what you are taking it. Because it's a module file. Inside that module, what you are taking is name, age, fun. You can try like that. Are you getting my point, ma? Pooja? Now, good. Sir, there is another way of exporting called default export. Okay. See, for example, for example, sir, we can access them k.h like this, sir. Yes, yes, ma. Very good. Yes, like that only. Now, for example, if I go to my friend's house now, every time I go to my friend's house, he will give me sweet. Imagine, every time I go to my friend's house, he will give me sweet. Or every time I go to my friend's house, he will give one drink. Or every time I go to my friend's house, he will give one chocolate. That is a default one. If I go to his house, I will get it simple. Along with this, I may get it some another things or may not get it. But every time one thing is mandatory, one thing is for sure will come. उसको बोलता default. What is it called? Default. Only one thing. Export default. Default. What you want to send to default? Can we send X value? X value is 20. I'm sending, no, why don't we send array value? We have ARR, na? I'm sending ARR. Export default ARR. Sir, if you go to this function script, whether you are sending one file, only one file will be exported by default. What is that name? ARR. Now, sir, if you are importing default one, you don't need to put braces because default will be always single. From dot slash. You can send every file, it will return one default one. That will be no need to put them in braces because it's always single. Always single. This default one, this default one can be imported without any braces. This is called default export. This is called default import. Default import. You can do normal exports and normal imports. Normal exports and imports will we do it for more. Now, is ARR fixed name? No, here you gave name na ARR. Dekho. ARR. You can put it any name na here. Imagine I put ARR 1 here, ARR 1, ARR 1. Any doubt, sir? Online, any doubts here? Sir, here we are exporting only array. Yes, we are exporting only array. ARR is not defined. Where did I write it ARR? because we are exporting the ARR and I printed it here. I am exporting ARR1 as a default one. So उसको basis नहीं रहता. There are two types of exports, default export and named export. The named export is used for multiple things. Default export is used for single thing. And there are two ways, named import and default import. Default import, you don't need to put braces, but named import, you need to put braces. And imports can also be done using asterisk. That is also called import alias. Any doubts here? Any doubts ma online? Is it clear ma? Someone is asking, can we write two default export? Wrong. You need to export only one default. Here we are exporting only array, right? You need to write only one default export. Any doubts, sir? Online, any doubts? Online, any doubts? No, 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 no. Good. Now, 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 today we will also discuss something called libraries. Till now, whatever you discussed ES6, if you are going for React class, if you are going tomorrow onwards, your React classes starts. If you are going for React class, first thing you should know is ES6. Everything in ES6 repeat करो. Arrow functions क्या है वो कैसा यूज करता, let and const क्या है, template literals क्या है, default parameters क्या है, rest and spread कैसा, destructuring कैसा, module system कैसा. This is first one. Second one, functions. Functions, how they will work. Functions are the core basic in the React. Earlier, before React 18, React used to have classes. We have actually oops concept in JavaScript also. Oops concept is not much important now. In olden times, people used to write class and all, but now React completely stopped it. React 16 onwards, not 18, React 16 onwards, React stopped it. Okay, so now React is doing completely functional. Okay, functional components will be there. Always write functions. Okay. And now I will tell you what is mean by library also, so that React is also one library, so that you will get a better idea. Two things mandatorily to learn. One is ES6, one is functions, another thing. These two learn, React will be very easy for you. Okay. Now, next, libraries. Have you guys remembered Bootstrap? Do you all remember Bootstrap, ma? When we discuss Bootstrap concept, I told two libraries. One is Bootstrap, another one is Animate CSS. Animate CSS. So what is mean by library? Anyone guess? Tell me what is mean by library? Huh? Inbuilt function. That's a good logic. Library is actually is a predefined or pre-written code. Simple. Similar. Inbuilt. Already everything is there. pre-written code, but used for specific purpose, sir. See, for example, Bootstrap is there. Can Bootstrap do animation? No. Bootstrap will not do animation. वो खाली UI देता. Animate CSS will do animation, but Animate CSS can it do responsive? No. So हर इस library को एक काम रहता. वो खाली वो करता. अलग नहीं करता. Exactly, it will do that only. Okay. Now, how do you get that access? First, you will take a CDN link. Get CDN link. When you go for boot React and all, you will install npm. Okay, but normally in normal JavaScript, you can take a CDN link. Get CDN link and attach it to code. Attach it to code. Check documentation. Check documentation for code. You will just check it like documentation for how to write it. This is what I did it in Bootstrap also. In Bootstrap, what you did, sir, you take a CDN link and you just add it to CDN link. After that, you go to Bootstrap website, you check the code, you just copy pasted the code and you just updated it. Right? Right or not? Any library will work for that. JavaScript provides tons of libraries. There are so many JS libraries. There are so many JS libraries for specific purposes. Specific purposes. Example, like most popular libraries are I'm giving you libraries which I know mostly. The most popular library, once upon a time there was a goat which is jQuery. Once people used to call it, it is one of the greatest one, but now people are not using it anymore actually. jQuery, before React comes, this is the king. jQuery library. Using jQuery now, we will use it for DOM and Ajax manipulations. DOM and Ajax. This is one of the powerful one. It will like, instead of writing big JavaScript code, it will make it in one line jQuery. How much simple it will do? Very simple it will do. I will just show you how it will be done in some programs. Don't worry. Okay. Using this library, you can actually convert your whole JavaScript code into Chota one. That is DOM and Ajax. Mostly for DOM and Ajax. Another popular library of recent times, which is React. Use it for UI, user interface. Excellent user interface. We will use it for React. Or these are most popular ones. Like we have something like AOS. Use it for animate on scroll animations. Animate on scroll animations, like it's like I wanted to do some scrolling animations whenever I scroll the page. Whenever I scroll the page, I wanted some animations to work. Whenever I scroll the page. That can be done. Or jQuery, React, AOS, or most popular are, I forgot these things, which is like GSAP. We will use it for animations, graphical animations. Now online, someone is thinking CodeIgniter, Laravel. Those things are PHP frameworks, sir. They are PHP frameworks. They are not at all related here. Okay. They are PHP frameworks. They are not at all related. They are not libraries. They are not JavaScript libraries. Like 3JS. For 3D kind of JavaScript, you can use 3JS. Use it for 3D kind of 3D 3D websites. Or I will give you chota ones also. Like for sliders, you can use Swiper.js. Swiper.js for sliders. Use it for sliders. These are, see, whatever the things I have used, I'm just giving you a list. It's like more than 150,000 libraries are available in JavaScript. So it's not like I'm giving you all. Okay. So the things which I know mostly we'll use for maps, leaflet, I used it. It's not like only leaflet is there. It's like I used it. It's good actually. Okay, we use it for maps or or mm, font awesome. Font awesome is not a JavaScript, but still, font awesome is a library. It's not JavaScript one. Chhod do. Then charts, Amcharts. Think Amcharts. Use it for charts. And many more. There are so many. Don't worry. Let me bring them, sir. Let me show it to you how they will work, sir. Everyone, go here. I'm gonna show you the code for ES6. Sorry, code for jQuery. Now go to code. Go to library index.html. Script.js. Index.html. Script.js. Exclamation enter. Now script.js. Now script. I'm just gonna put one div. Div के अंदर box. Box which is like style height 200 pixel. Let's make it something bigger, 400 pixel. Width 400 pixel. Background color red. Button hash btn. Click me. Okay, now online or offline, does anyone have doubts in this HTML code? Any doubts, sir? Anyone have any doubts, ma? Is it clear till now? Okay, online till now, is it clear, ma? Now take it here. I'm just going into this link. I will open this. Now this is the code. We all know how it will be. If you click on this click me now, I want this box to disappear. If you click this link, box should disappear. You can do it in normal coding now. Can you do it like if I click on that button, can you make that box disappear, sir? How do you do that? Button on click document.getElement by ID click event listener click. You will call one function on click, and in that on click function you will take this particular div and you will just make it style display none. It will be disabled. Now instead of doing style display none, instead of doing that much big JavaScript, React will be like, jQuery will be like, I will help you to do manipulation easily, DOM. So I will go to the jQuery first. What is the first step? Go to the CDN. Type it here, jQuery CDN link. jQuery CDN link. You will get it here, jQuery websites. Now if you go here, CDN link. Now if you come here, take the second one. Can you see this script tagma? Second one, copy this. Always I did this only, last time also. In Bootstrap also. I take this, go here, paste it before. Always remember, your script file should be last. Your script file should be last. Now, okay, go here now. Now all I need to do is dollar hash btn click function dollar hash box dot hide. Go here, click here. Now क्या हुआ, ये डॉलर क्या है? In jQuery dollar means document dot query selector. It is similar to document dot query selector. Have you guys remember document dot query selector? If I write document dot query selector hash btn means button will be selected, and jQuery have default function called click. You don't need to write it dot add event listener click comma function. You can directly write click करे तो ये function करो. Okay, function लिख दिया. Function के अंदर क्या करना है? Box को select करो. Select कर दिया. Hide का नाम एक function है. Click करो, hide हो जाता. हर each वाला को function रहता है इसमें. And that is what the library means ना. लाइब्रेरी का यूज क्या है? वो पहला कोड लिखता है, वो कोड हम यूज करना है. डाउट? ऑनलाइन इज इट क्लियर मा? ऑनलाइन इज इट क्लियर? Now I will do something more creative. See, hide something like 5,000. If you do hide 5,000, go here. What is happening? Can anyone guess what happened? 5,000 is not distance. 5 seconds, barabar. Sir, how do you know this hide function and all? If you want to know, go to this website, jQuery, official website. Always I recommend you to go to official website and read. No one, never try to remember or, never try to remember the libraries like jQuery or React or Bootstrap, because they will change. Bootstrap 4 पर हमको लेफ्ट चाहिए तो L लिखना. Bootstrap 5 पर लेफ्ट चाहिए तो yes लिखना, start. तो वो चेंज हो जाता. jQuery, whatever jQuery I learned in my college, that is different from this. So because libraries will change their logics, so you should go to always official website. Now I go to this website, sir. Now I will go here, read the documentation. jQuery 4.0 is coming. कुछ नहीं होता. Still it is there in old only. First logic. Now, anyway, I will go here, API. Now documentation. Now go here. What do you want? Whatever you wanted, you can able to see it here, sir. Let me go here. Now see it here. If you want callback, how to put. If you want CSS, how to put. If you want something data, how to put. Depreciated bole to these things are not using anymore. Yeah. See, can you see this? All are there here directly. If you want to add any object, you don't need to write it append. You can use add. Okay. Or if you wanted to add any class directly, you don't need to write class list dot add. You can directly do add class. If you wanted to print one element after another element, you can put after. Before Ajax logic comes, you can put it Ajax or complete. It is depreciated now, so no need to use. Now, see, so many are there. I will go here, some kind of effects. Go here, events. Okay, I will go this effects. Effects are easy. Hide, show. If I want to hide. Show, show. Toggle. What is toggle? Any guess? Hide, show, hide. बराबर तो हम toggle लिखूंगा. Go here. Toggle चाहिए हमको. Toggle. Go here. If you click here. Go here. Any doubts, sir? No? Sir, can I do more kind of effects? See this. Something like custom. Oh, you can do your own animations also using this animate function. You can put something delay. If I put delay, maybe it will wait for certain time. Okay. Whenever finish, you can put callback function. Okay. Good. Speed. You can speed it up. Stop. Currently, whatever animation is doing, you can stop the animation. Nice. Fading. You can do fading effects. Fade in, fade out, fade toggle. Let's try fade toggle. Instead of toggle, let's go here. Fade toggle. Fade toggle. You need to give name. I give correct only. Can you see it? What happened? Sir, is JS companies using jQuery now? Actually, it is. Most of the companies have older code only. In reality, people will not tell you. In reality, what will happen, sir? Most of the companies, especially US and UK companies, are your projects. Those clients will use it something called old code base only. They will not use something new. Okay. In YouTube and all, people will tell it like no, React, that, this and all. But 90% of the times you will have in older code bases only. In reality, most of the sites actually still working on the jQuery, but they don't like it. It's like they don't like it. Why? Because see this, jQuery is old one, but it's already built. Okay, it's already built that way. Once it is built that way, na, if they wanted to change, they have to change so much thing. See, one deco, Let me tell you. Imagine one old shop is there. This old shop is built with old technology. Okay. Now everyone beside him are getting it new technologies. Okay. The shops are looking it different, new. But still, this guy will use old only. You know why? Because if he wanted to change, he should change everything. For that, he need to stop his business for some days, right? That will just the jQuery one. But still, Bootstrap also actually till Bootstrap 4, Bootstrap jQuery is mandatory. Bootstrap 5 they removed it jQuery one. Okay, till Bootstrap 4 it's actually jQuery mandatory for Bootstrap also. Now you can do slide up, slide down, slide toggle. You can do so many logics here. But ये पुराना code है. Is it clear ma online? The same thing in React you can do much faster and much simpler than this. Yeah. For example, sir, let's go here, some website like Swiper.js, or I will go some website called Typed.js. Typed.js. I want some typing effects like this. Like this typing effect चाहिए हमको. It types out sentences. So go here, Typed.js, CDN link. हमको CDN link आता. Go here, copy the CDN link. Go here, copy the CDN link. Go here, paste this CDN link. Always your file is last. Then go to here, go to their official documentation. They told if you want something like this na, you should write it something like this. Okay, let me try. Go here, copy, go here, go here, copy. See, they want something like dot element. Maybe they are asking for something one div with a class name element, right? Dot element bole to class name element. So I will write it here, div dot element. Now, can you see what is something happening? Refresh. Can you see what happened? First sentence, second sentence. Why first sentence, second sentence only comes? See, this is how you should think. Can anyone tell me why first sentence, second sentence only coming? Because here first sentence and second sentence. Can I change that? I will say developer, trainer, mm, let's go here. Good man. Now, simple. Now I just give three things. Now I will go here. I understand how it is working now. So I will change it. I understand how it is working now. So I will just change it now. I will be like H1. I am a span dot element. Can you go and see? Refresh. Online, are you all understand it? Like, how did I do that? First thing, go to CDN link. Any website, go to CDN link. Check it on how it is working in their official documentation. Keep that CDN link and do it. Now with this, actually, I can do, sir. What if I want it like iterating again and again? What if I want it like these things repeat? Okay, then I need to read their documentation. Go here. Now, the readme on GitHub is going to helpful for any questions. Okay, let me go here. The readme file, the readme file in the uh, in readme file will help you into the documentation. Let's go here, readme file. Okay, they said it you to add this script file. Okay, I added the script file. After adding the script file, they told it like you can read this. Let me read it here now. Okay. Now see, can you see this? They gave me so many parameters here. Customization, if you wanted to do customization, they gave me so many parameters. Can you see here? Typing speed. For typing speed, you can give type speed. Starting delay, start delay. Back speed, back speed. Okay, I will give back speed now. And shuffle. Do you want to shuffle? True or false? No. Do you want fade out or fade in expressions? No. Do you want loop? Yes. I want loop with infinity. Go here. I will say loop, true, infinity, backspeed, backspeed 50. Did I created anything? No. They created one function and they told how to use that function. I read their documentation so that I understand how to use it. And I did it. Now if I go to my website, developer, trainer, can you see going back is something slow. I can, let's go here. Maybe this is milliseconds. So it's like I will go here, something like 200. So it's like thoda. Doubts? Online any doubts, sir? Online any doubts, sir? No. It seems simple. Now there are so many websites which give you something nice animations. Personally, I love some libraries which are like mostly people will not tell these libraries, but these libraries are game changers. Okay. I love to use my websites mostly with 3JS, which are like 3D animations will come. If you use their libraries like 3JS, you will mostly comes with what is this? Something like Zendesk. No, it's not good. Or maybe go here, take this website. Okay, see something ramen, cooking your ramen. Okay, it's loading. Now start. Okay. Did you see this, sir? This is a portfolio, sir, which is a 3D website portfolio. Now, if I wanted to see his projects, click here, and that I can take his projects, and in that I can see his projects. Are you getting my point, sir? So people will put this all. They will create 3D items and they will put everything you wanted for this 3D one. They will already give you. That website name is 3JS. That library is. Sir, I want to create games using the JavaScript. There is one famous library called Phaser.js, which will give you games. Phaser.js. Using Phaser.js, you can create games. I love this background, right? Okay. Sir, they did not put any background, sir. They put it using some kind of CSS, JavaScript logic. Every time they are changing some value and then based on that value, they are getting it loop. This is really bad. Else I could have copied it long back. Now, Pacer one will give you that, or maybe if I go to tell me any use case. You tell me any use case, I will tell you. Like if you wanted something like that, I will tell you the library for that. Like I told you now, for charts, if you want it, like you can use am charts. That is one of the nice library for the charts. Kind of nice charts will come. Go to here demos. I want some kind of nice map. I will go here. Um, different charts are there. Maps. I will go here. World map, globe. I will go here, this globe. I will take this. I will convert this globe. I will go down. I will take this. See, these are the script files. Can you see this? Script files. Take this script files, copy this, copy it, paste the script files first. Okay, acha hai. Then where is the JavaScript code? They put it import. Oh shit. They gave me something script logic. But it is not React now. Let me try it here. Go here. Sir, they gave me import logic. Because I need to import, first I need to change my file as module file. Why, sir? Only import will work in module files. Then I will go here, sir. I will go to my file. I will just put here something simple. There should be ID, chart div, chart div, barabar. Someone is like, what is the difference between TypeScript and JavaScript? JavaScript will not have something. JavaScript is like static data typing. See, JavaScript is not having it kind of data typing, static. Bolo. In JavaScript, if I write let a equals to 20, a value is a number. Can I write a equals to Prasad next? Yes, na? Then a value will become string, na? But it is not possible in other programming languages. Do you know that? If you go to Java, na, Java is a static programming. It's like if you write it int a equals to 20, a value should be integer. Next time if you write a equals to Prasad, it's wrong. Okay, but JavaScript will allow. JavaScript will follow dynamic data typing. Then Microsoft people thought it like, what if JavaScript support static data typing? They added one more layer, which is called TypeScript. TypeScript is nothing but JavaScript only. But TypeScript, what it will do, it will allow only static typing. Okay. Now, imagine, see, there is person one, person one. This guy is accepting anyone, whoever it comes. This guy is accepting anyone comes. If males coming or females coming, he is welcoming both. Person one is welcoming both. But I don't want person one to have females, only males he should attend. Okay. Person one is like free guy, whatever comes he will take. But I wanted to restrict him. You know what I did? I put another person before person two. If anyone wants to meet person two, first he should meet person one. If anyone meets to person one, first they should meet the person two. If person two, males or female comes now, person two will reject females, only males they will allow to person one. Now I will get only person one, only males, right? Right or not? And this is what TypeScript will do. JavaScript will allow any data type. JavaScript will allow you to change any data type. But TypeScript will be there before. TypeScript is like if you are giving any data na, first TypeScript will take. If you change any data na, type will say error. Don't. You cannot change like that. But JavaScript is okay with it. TypeScript after getting it no errors, it will go for the JavaScript. It's like another layer, something super thing. Is it clear ma online? Online is it clear? Okay. If you check it on official documentation of TypeScript, it will be very easy for you to understand. Right click, inspect. Fail to resolve AMSAT's relative references are not there. Okay. These are having relative references. Now, style. Can you see, sir? Everyone, can you see in my website something globe came? I can rotate this globe wherever I want. Let me make this globe chota. Right. Chota globe. I can give different locations also, sir, for this. Sir, where did you get these locations or all? Maybe here only in this code, somewhere they will give location. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, where they gave the locations. Latitude and longitude. They gave me the locations like Paris, they gave me Toronto, they gave me LA, they gave me Havana. I will change it. Delhi, Pune. If I know latitude, longitude, if you type it in internet, latitude, longitude, aata. If you change that now, I will get it to the map easy. Libraries are the easiest one to make your website more relatable and good. And try to do something to remove this map and globe. Okay. And to remove this am charted one. Sir, how do you make it remove? कुछ नहीं होता. Inspect करो. उसका नाम आता. Display none करो. Exact am charts you need to find it and you need to do it. This is all coming in a canvas, so you can't do it, right? But just check it on official documentation, you will get it something. Is this clear, ma? So today try experiment with different libraries. Try to make your websites more better using nice libraries. Go to internet and type it interesting JavaScript libraries. Okay, you will get it so many libraries. See it how they are working on. Okay, and tomorrow we'll discuss bomb and we'll also discuss oops, which will complete our JavaScript journey and we'll do the project from day after tomorrow onwards. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you all. In case if you have any doubt, you can ask me. If no doubts, you can leave. Online कुछ doubt है? మనకు కావాల్సిన ఏపీ అంటే